Welcome to DataTracks.co.uk web video on how to sign up with DataTracks online to use our web service. In this demo, we will take you through how to register as a user, add entities, place an order, upload files, and confirm inputs. We will first start with registering as a user. This initial bit on the home page takes you to the various options available on the home page. So register as a user, click on the top right hand column. Once you've done that, you reach the sign up as a user section of the registration process. It's a simple form that you will need to fill up. On the left hand panel, you will see the various features available once you register with DataTracks. And on the right side panel, you have several instructions on how you should register. You might want to spend a few minutes reading those before you start filling up the registration form. To begin with, you will need to choose a username. It's best if you have a simple and easy to remember username. The system also checks if this username is already available or not. Then you choose a simple password. You then have the option of choosing a security question or creating your own question and select an answer. You will then need to enter your name and also the organization name. On completion of that, you have to choose the type of user. You have several options available. I have chosen company here. You'll then need to choose the number of entities you intend to give DataTracks service. This is important. We have 3 specific user groups. One is 1 to 14 entities, another one is 15 to 99 entities, and the third group is more than 100 entities. So please choose carefully. Then enter your address and follow that with the city name. Also enter your postcode. The country is already placed, so if you want to change it, you can change it. Enter a contactable telephone number. It's important that you enter a valid telephone number, but most important is entering a valid email address, because all our correspondence to you will be primarily through email address. Enter the CAPTCHA and submit. So once you've done that, you will need to go to your email account to activate your user account. Go to your email, you have an activation email there. You will need to click here, activate the account, and then click on the account as well. Once you've done that, you will need to enter your chosen username and password. On completion of that, you have now successfully registered with DataTracks. Now you've come to the welcome page. You have several options available on the welcome page. You might want to spend a few minutes here to look at the various options. You also have a number of FAQs on the right panel. So the first thing you would need to do is to add a new entity. So you add entity specific information. So this is the information about the company you would like to file with us. So here I've entered a test company. You also need to enter the unique tax reference number. The company's house reference number is not mandatory. Choose the type of entity and also enter the address of the company. You will also need to enter the city. And follow that with the postcode of the company. Also enter the financial year end. You would not be required to enter the fiscal year end if it's the same as the financial year end. Most importantly, choose the accounting standard applicable, either UK GAAP or the IFRS. Enter the characters above and you've submitted. A small error here. I've entered fewer numbers in the CT reference number. So I will go and change that. Once you've done that, the entity has been added successfully. So you now have the option of placing a new order. While placing a new order, you will need to choose the relevant entity that you want to place an order for. In this case, I've chosen Test Company 1. I will also choose the financial year and choose the relevant page bands. We have several page bands. Choose the service required, whether you want only financial statements or you want financial statements and tax computations. Also choose the format that it's going to be sent in, and then calculate price. While doing so, you have very clear description of the delivery dates and the price at display, and also the payment methods. So I've chosen the price I prefer. I need to confirm delivery deadline and price. So now you're in the process of confirming your order. Your order number is being displayed here, which is very important for any future transaction with us. You'd also need to choose I agree to the terms of service. You have the terms of service also available at your disposal for you to read the entire terms of service. So after having gone through that, you also have the option of choosing that you understand that price is based on number of pages. So you confirm order and proceed to payment, so that's the payment. We will now skip the payment gateway process for ease of this demonstration. You will now go to the payment gateway process. We'll skip that option and go directly to the upload section. So now you need to click here to upload your files. So choose the file, the specific file. I've created a sample file that I will upload to the system. This is a Word file. I've chosen the file, and then you need to click Upload Files. After having done that, you will need to proceed to confirm input. So click that button as well. And you need to click the checkbox to confirm your inputs and select the button as well. Once you've done that, your input has been successfully confirmed. So now DataTracks have received your file at this stage. Once you've done that, back to the download process. Once the files are ready, you will receive an email as such in your inbox with full details about your file. So you'll need to log in back to your account and download your file. You can always contact us at customercare@datatracks.co.uk if you have any other queries, or send us an email at support@datatracks.co.uk. Thank you.